with your son.
My son?
Yeah. Scott!
Hello, Scott.
Hi.
I'm your father, Dr. Evil.
I haven't seen you my whole life, and now you come back and just expect a relationship? I hate you.
What? Could I have a hug?
No.
Give me a hug.
No way.
Come here.
I'm not coming over there.
Let's go.
Forget it.
Pronto.
What are you doing?
I'm with it. I'm hip. Well, don't look at me like I'm frickin' Frankenstein. Give your father a hug.
Hey,
Hug,
don't
hug,
touch
hug.
me.
Hug. Hug.
Get away from me, you lazy-eyed psycho.